the VA can only do so much. So where are veterans getting their help from? It's the nonprofits, national and local. The national ones are doing great, right?
Well, obviously. The
local ones they struggle with a lot of things because they're random. Like take 92 for 22 is where we're going to donate our money to. Yep. But take that for example. When I became involved, it was a group of combat veterans, Marines that only knew what they know, right? Yeah. One guy worked in electric work. The other guy is a billing specialist. So like the things that I do for our job here each and every day really helped them streamline everything, save them hours of admin stuff. So by me getting involved, I all of a sudden became a savior, but it wasn't a savior for the company. They were a savior for me too, because now I'm with my people again. Right. And we are now out in West Michigan helping other veterans with their struggles, right? The one thing that could set the ball in motion, right? There's always that one thing. Like, it depends on your mindset. You can look at everything that happens in your day and say, oh man, this has happened to me now this is what else can go wrong? Like the more negative thoughts you have, the more and more it just builds up. So if you know that a company or organization is out there that can talk to you on your level,
that's accessible.
Like combat veterans are, and just veterans in general, knowing, how cool it is. Every time I talk to a client, and like I served in the Marine Corps, whoa, it got real. It's unreal. Like the defense goes down because we've already earned the respect. Yep. Even though you shot paper bullets in the Army and
you ate crayons. So we joke about it all the time. Branches. Whatever have you. When I was medevac to Germany on deployment for medical reasons, funny story is, it was like jarhead, leg, army, whatever. And on convalescent leave, out of the hospital, I walk into an Irish pub, and over in Germany, and big Marine, skinny, scrawny little soldier over here, another one over there, and I'm like, I'm not gonna feel welcomed here. Obviously,
here's Thomas.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna walk in here, but sat down and I got to know these guys, and Marine, Air Force, Army, and I was like, you guys don't have an issue? He's like, they were buying me drinks, buying me shots, and he's like, no, man. He was like, we're all soldiers. He's like, we all bleed red. It's like,
red, white, blue.
Back home, he's like, downrange. He was like, no, we don't have that mentality, but back home we'll pick on each other. Don't worry about it.
We pick on each other. We can pick on each other.
We can do that.
But the minute a non-veteran starts, no way, absolutely not. You put yourself at ease, man.
Yeah. It's,
well, with the nonprofits, 92 for 22, we've been doing a lot of really good things, and we're starting to get to the point where we want to do more, but we're kind of at max capacity in the events and things that we can do. So I approached Thomas, and he's like, absolutely, let's do it. So with every VA transaction, every veteran we help get into a home, we're going to donate a portion of
our earnings
to 92 for 22. Absolutely. So they can continue to do fantastic things for
our veterans,
our veterans
brothers,
here locally.
Our sisters, locally.
So the more VA transactions, the more veterans we can help. Not only helps us on a personal level, helps on a professional level, and we can help other veterans with whatever struggles that they have.
We don't know what struggles they're facing right now. But it allows for for them to be able to go get help.